Greetings, beloved beings of eternal light. I am Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. It is the last day of Septembre, being the 30th of 2022, and the heliosphere of our local Solaris has become very active, with a trinity of powerful M-class flares, with a large sunspot group that is altering the way the whole sun is vibrating. We had an M1.1 at 4 o'clock UTC on the 30th, and M2.9 at 1622 UTC also on the 30th, and an M1.3 at 1734 UTC. These solar flares will continue to flood Pachamama and all her children of the sun with higher dimensional 5D adamantine particles and packets of codes for our DNA upgrades and downloads of gamma information for crystalline transport. This active group of sunspots are rotating over the sun's northeastern limb and should be Earth-facing within the next 24 to 48 hours, bringing us into a super red-hot October of transformation and activations. We will keep you up to date as the information comes in. Be well and God bless you all. May the Great Spirit always be at your side and surround you with the holy light. Aho.